It's as if they're standing at the foot of a mountain, and they have this abstract concept.
After 7 long years.
And finally,
The Rock has come back to Anaheim!
we are back. Welcome back to See the Mountain Maths. In this video, we are going back to basics. We're going to recall a 4-step method for factorising expressions, and then we're going to apply that very same method to factorise single bracket expressions, the key terms you can see to my right here. Alright, so here's your 4-step rule, and we've got to get this down. So number one, we're going to take the largest number, the largest highest common factor, which goes into all of the numerical terms. Then we're going to remove the highest power that goes with all of the terms. And then we're going to open those brackets and just add in what is needed to reproduce each of those terms. And then just as a quick check, we're going to multiply out that bracket again, just so we can definitely find our original expression. Now that's very wordy. Let's see how it applies to a real life expression. So we're going to factorise 4x plus 24. And to do so, the first thing we're going to do is take out the highest common factor of the numbers. In this case, it's 4. So removing 4x, so 4x divided by 4 leaves us with only x. And then 24 divided by 4 leaves us with 6. So we take the 4 outside the bracket. Inside the bracket, we're just left with x plus 6. Let's just try that again with another one. So here we're going to factorise 6x plus 21. So the highest common factor of the numbers is in fact 3. So 6x divided by 3 leaves us with 2x. And then 21 divided by 3 leaves us with 7. So we're going to take out that highest common factor. Outside the bracket it's 3, and then inside the bracket we've got 2x plus 7. Alright, take a moment to try this example to my right now, please. Okay, so with x squared plus 4x, you should have noticed we don't actually have a number value next to the x squared, so what we're going to do, we're going to dive straight into the expression.
27 var altså. Andreplass fra 2015.
So x squared divided by x leaves us with x, and then 4x divided by x leaves us with 4. Luckily now we can take x outside that bracket, and then inside the bracket is x plus 4. Now this next example I'm going to guide you through. This involves a different approach. We've got 6ab minus 4a squared. Now numerically we can take out the number 2, but you'll notice there's also an a in both terms, so we can take that out as well. Now the highest common factor is 2a. 6ab divided by 2a leaves us with 3b. And now minus 4a squared divided by 2a leaves us with minus 2a. So here's what we do. We've got the highest common factor 2a, outside the bracket 2a, open bracket 3b minus 2a. That's how we do it. Alright, now take a moment to try this one. Alright, really hope you found that. So this was very similar again. Numerically, yes, we can take out the number 6, but we can also take out xy. So what we're going to take out is 6xy. 6xy squared divided by 6xy equals x, and then 18xy divided by 6xy leaves us with 3. So watch this. Okay, so you've taken 6xy outside and you're left with x plus 3 inside. Now, if you multiply out those terms, you will get back to your original equation. Alright, so here's the exam question which corresponds with what you've just seen. Take a moment to have a go at this. The solution's going to come up now in green. Beautiful, so the pencil's changed to green. There's a solution. Hopefully you got that. Thank you so much. This is Lewis at See the Mountain Maths. Goodbye.
It's as if they're standing at the foot of a mountain, and they have this abstract concept called impact that they want to have in the world, which is the summit. What they don't see is the